Hello guys, now your guy JJ. Welcome to my channel again. Okay, I hope say una dey keep up with our practice. Abeg, try to dey use this coding if you really want to dey cool with this coding and make this coding also sabi you, make you sabi am. Try dey use them in every day of your life, like in everything you do in your life, even though you no dey too get time to learn them. You fit bring broom now, say you want sweep, make you reason for your head, say okay, I'm about to print broom to sweep, all those play things, so that when you go come back, you go still feel energized to keep moving. And now we're done. Today we go talk about the basic things of Python. Person wey wan learn how to drive car, she bin go dey familiar with things of like the steering wheel, the brake and the gear and other things, the acceleration and all. So na so Python also dey for your own. First thing we go talk about na inbuilt functions. As your phone gets calculator and camera and other apps installed inside when you buy them, wey be say you no need to install them. And so Python dey also. Python get plenty inbuilt function, but we go touch few of them. One of them wey we go talk about na print. We don't already know what this print dey do. Print in own work na to show something for outside. Anything where you put inside those brackets between the double quotes, print go show am for outside. So if you dey put anything inside there, may you know what you dey put. So once you put them, thing go show you am for outside, or whether na you want to see am or another person. So okay, assuming now we put our bracket and our quote, and we write hello everyone now. You see am? Sorry. Everyone. Okay. We still do it like that. We will run am. Hello everyone. Nice show. See am, na so print they do. In own not too much. In they doing work asap. Okay, now you get another one will be learn. Learn na one will be say, if you use and count how many letters they inside a written words, make I show you within this learn. They do learn like this, so it's a function. So but make I show now what need to do. Assuming say we do var equal to let me say Python. Then I now do print my first bracket and I write what? Learn. Another bracket, then var. See what I do for here now. Make I run. You see na 6 show outside. So learn in order to help you to calculate how many written words they for there. Okay, so na your own work be that to get wahala. The female. You get another one will be type. This one be like detective. It be like detective. It tell you, like it help to tell what type of value a variable hold. In the female, like if you no get idea of within this variable fee hold now, if you use the name of the variable where they disguise, use and check them, then it go tell you now waiting the inside that variable, or now waiting they hide inside that variable be that. Okay, now so did they do with this? Make I still use that var equal to Okay, make I use strange value Python. Then I come down, do my print bracket. Then I do type for there with the type of bracket. Then var. You see Wetin show class str. That str na short form of strange. Na strange value. You see am. So na so all these things be. So these few ones where we touch na few of the inbuilt function we there for Python, but you may know you can still go through them later. Another one we go know now, indentation. Indentation for Python, you know when we write informal and formal letter for school, teacher go tell you before you begin any line of this thing, before you go start to write anything for page, you go give small space before you go start to write. For Python, Python they very strict. We think, oh no, they do like your teacher will be say. Sometimes teacher feel no pay attention or but Python in head enough for the day. They feel me. So, but the thing they help to organize code, and it they help to know where code starts and where code stop, so that once you don't understand them, if you don't see Python code, you know go dey complicated for your mind or eye. You don't know where it starts and where it ends. Wetin I dey talk about like this, assuming I use if now, 5 is greater than 3. Then I come down. Okay, this editor done automatically give me the stuff I talk about. Shall we see this one now? This small space waiting for here, and I be the indentation. Okay, if you think say this thing no dey work, make I run this code now. Shall we see it go normal be? Okay, just calm down now. Make I come on that indentation, make you see wetin go happen. Since when I think say Python no get sense. Itself, you know they use and play. So I beg, make when I try to give them a food, make it the chop. So na indentation matter be that. You know follow you play. Now why it be what coding? It dey easy, but you need to follow him way. Next thing we will talk about is syntax. Syntax na Python own grammar rules, like even our pidgin English self get own rules. So now the way we say everything dey. One way we go know na column, this symbol na a syntax for Python. You feel me? So now it dey help their column now for Python. It dey end statements, like statements where you use if for and def. As we say, I use if 5 is greater than 3. I go come use an ender. So this thing na syntax. That greater than and that column, all those symbols na syntax. Wetin they govern, wetin they rule, wetin without all those things, you just write empty something and Python no go understand them. You dey feel me? So try to understand syntax that way. Another one again now, let me say parentheses, like bracket. You dey feel me? Where they hold perimeters. If you do print now, put bracket, see bracket now. Bracket they hold the double quote inside. Bracket still hold the written things with the inside them. You see them? So now so it be. Another one now, quote. We get double quote, and the other one also we have a normal single quote. You see them? So all these things now, Wetin be syntax. Without them, computer will still dey see am as empty something, like e never define anything, e never make sense. E no dey make sense for your own side, you see am. So e just be like say you dey learn new language. You will know how to pronounce and twist their word very well. Another thing again na comment. How to write a comment. Comment for Python na like note for yourself, note wey you leave for yourself. Sometimes when you dey write code, if you write your code finish, make you carry on with another project, forget some things about previous code wey you write. Those comments go help you to remember some things wey particular code dey work, or maybe people wan read your code. All those comments go help them know wetin this block of code dey work and wetin the other one dey work, so that person no go add or join wetin go scatter everything. And to write comment now, assuming say I first write comment dey begin with hash, na your own syntax with that. So anything we write for here now, assuming say I write jangwa for here, come here now, just write print, do hello. Make we know whether those jangwa go follow this print come outside. You know, come and be only hello. And wetin comment be? Comment just be like all these sticky notes where they put for your book for reminders and all those things. So na so comment dey work. Abeg, I want make una dey see this coding with open mind and open heart. Maybe I know they speak grammar, or I know they one kind complicated, but try to know in your head, say e dey enter and e dey understand them well, abeg. Okay, now we don't know wetin be comment. E get wetin Python no dey like, and e get wetin dey like. E get wetin be case sensitive. This one dey important because Python dey see through big and small letters. Big letter and small letter no be the same thing for Python. It just be like a man and woman for inside. So for Python, A and A no be the same thing. You see, na two different things. Okay, now see print now. This one na complete small letters. I can't do am. Watch. Wetin we write come outside of me. Now, make you see wetin go happen for here now. Make I use only capital letter for the front. Make you see wetin Python go let me know now. And over there go punch me for math. Okay. You see how Python do they play? Okay, make I use only but capital letters now again. Okay. You see how? So you guys dey very careful. Python dey simple and easy to learn, but you guys know wetin they do. So now small letters, Python dey chop. You see as e be. So no much thing about this thing. I just today understand that. Another thing we go try to understand now, error message. Some of us, when we see error message, we go start to the panic or the fear. Once you see error message, you should be happy, because now your best friend, it just be like your best friend when you go allow bad thing to happen in the future or make things complicate much. So as you dey write, you go to let you know say, nah, the thing be that. So now, as we say, we do like something like print now. Put this bracket. So I can write something. Put your bracket and write now. See this thing now. Okay. So as this thing dey, I can write another print for here. Print. Watch. You see, syntax error was never closed. You see where they let us know, coded. So through this error, if you read through the error, you can identify what line or where the problem they come from. Then you can target it and fix it. Okay? So make you know the fear now one of your best friend. Okay. Last thing we need to understand today now. Python, they read code from up to down. So the way you set the formation of your code matters. Python, they read code line by line. That means I do now print. First. Do print again. Oh yeah. Second. You see now first and second, 1 and 2, one after the other. And so Python matters. So the order matters a lot. If you change the order of the line, the order of the results could also change. So now we're done, my people. We don't touch the basic things about Python. Okay, like the indentation, syntax, errors, and the case sensitive and all of them. For the next video, we will talk about variable, how to define variable, how to assign a value, and what types of value will we get, because values, they different. On our way done.